Is my skin barrier healed yet? It's one of the most common questions I hear, and it makes sense. You want a clear answer so you can stop wondering and get back to skincare you actually enjoy. But skin doesn't usually hand you a yes or no verdict. What it offers consistently is patterns, information you can read over time. Instead of asking, is it healed? A more useful question is my skin becoming more stable? That shift is what this whole series is about. Over the next few videos, we'll walk through what your barrier actually does, how to read the signals it's giving you, and how to tell the difference between feeling better and actually becoming stable without needing more certainty than your skin can honestly offer. Let's start with the basics. What your skin barrier is actually doing all day, every day.